Explain to you about the LED, the DRL on a 2016 Honda Accord. So a lot of people think this little tube right here is gas, or they'll think um, that if you hit it or something, it'll stop working because the gas is gonna leak out. So it's not gas. This is a tube with two LED at the end. So the one tube starts from here and then stop right there and it goes in, and then another tube starts from there and it goes right there and it stops. So at the other side there's an LED, and I'll show you the LED right now. So this little LED right here, it will take care from the very first tube that is stopped right here. So the second tube, these two LED in there, those are the ones that take over to light up from here to the end. So what happened is this one will burn out, either that one or the other one. Most of the time this one will burn out first. So to get that fixed, you gotta either change the whole little box right here, which I don't know how much is that will be. And you can see right here where the plastic is melting right there. That's the actual tube touching those two LED right there. It kind of melt. I already tested the light, so the light doesn't work anyways. So here's the other tube. See the other tube right there? This right here. That's the other tube where this little LED attached. So this little LED goes just like that. Goes with a screw. Like that. And then put a screw right here. So that little thing, that little LED is what light up the thing. So if you guys having that problem, you don't have to change the whole headlight to fix that. You can either just open the headlight, go to Honda, and tell them you want to buy this little module, or I wouldn't even waste my time on that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a conversion on this to an aftermarket LED. I'm gonna just put a LED. I gotta figure out if I'm gonna either leave that tube inside or just take it out, but I'll make another video for that. So this video is just to show you that those tubes are not gas. Those tubes in there, they're not gas. They're just a solid plastic with two LED at the ends. One on that end, one on the other end. All right, thank you.